Good morning guys. So this is my mother. So I'm going to be doing her makeup because I figured for this 30 days of September makeup challenge, why am I doing just my makeup? Why not branch out a little bit on the other people's makeup, right? So I'm going to be starting off by filling in her brows with Air Woman pencil, and as you can tell, I am nothing like her, and she actually has brows. I don't. Then I'm going to comb through that using the spoolie just to make sure her brow hairs and the pencil blends together. Then I'm going to be taking my Ruby Kisses level 11 that I always use to do her brows. And I'm going to do very simple makeup on Mommy. She doesn't like loud makeup, she doesn't like lashes, she don't like none of that. So I'm going to try and do something extremely simple on her. One eyebrow's head and one. So I'm going to blend this out using just a nice big fluffy brush. Then I'm going to prime her using the e.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer. And I'm going to mix the primer in with her foundation. The foundation I'll be using on Mommy is Black Opal in Hazlenut, and I'll be using our PS139 brush. So this is what we're doing today. So a little bit of the primer, a little bit of the foundation. Now Mommy's face takes makeup very well. It looks really nice and natural. I've tried carob on her and it works. I've tried trying hazelnut and obviously so that it's working. Her face really takes makeup very well. She doesn't wear it often though. Only if it's like her birthday or she going to an event or something like that. But she rarely wears makeup. So as you can see, Mommy's face does not take a lot of makeup because her face, it doesn't need to be, it's not like mine where I have acne scarring. Alright, so next I'm going to be going in with my beauty blender. I'm going to be soaking up any extra product. So to highlight, I'm taking LA Pro Conceal in Fawn. I'm going to put that on the back of my hand. I won't be using a lot. So I'm going to be taking this Motives brush, and it's their 125 foundation brush. I'm going to use it to highlight. Going in back in the beauty blender. Then I'm going to be going in with the Mary Kay Espresso. Remember this, I used to use it, guys. So I'm going to go in with this to low light her face. Then going back in with the beauty blender just to blend it out. Then to set her, I'll be taking my Nye Banana Powder that I always use. And for her powders, I'm going in with our PR 356 brush. And for her all over face, I'm taking Espresso. Now this is what I would typically use, Espresso. I'm taking a little bit and just blending it on her face. I'm doing one tap and I'm blending upwards from her jawline because I want most of the color to be deposited on her jawline. If I started from here, most of the color would have gone up here and I don't want that. Alright, so for her eyes, I'm going to take my Motive stack. And this one is in Golden Goddess. I'm going to start with this nice gold color on her eyes. And I'm using my e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. Alright, so this, I'm going to go back in with Black Opal Espresso and I'm going to use this for her crease color. Then for her brow bone, I'm going to take this color from the Motive stack. And to blend that out, I'm going back in with the same brush that I used for her crease. I didn't add any more product, just blending out. This is our fluffy blender brush from our Poming Paradise, which is now sold out. I accidentally put some color right here, so to even it out, I'm going to put some there. Look up for me. I don't like putting color here of my mommy's eyes because I just don't like how it looks. But because I accidentally put it down here, I'm going to have to do it for the other side. Next, I'm going to be lining her eyes with Silk Simi, L'Oreal. Look up. Don't know how this is going to work, guys. I should do like when anything is on her eyes. Look. Mommy, you're backing off. Mommy, they're going to think they don't trust me. Look up. Look up. Because this don't do. So I'm just blending this out because I did such an awesome job applying it. Look up. I'm now going back in with the gold that I use. I'm just spritz the brush with my Elf Mist and Set because right on top here got smudged. I'm not sure if you've seen that. So by wetting the brush and getting the eyeshadows wet, it just allowed the color to go on a bit more pigmented, and as you can see, it hid that mistake that we made. So what I do to one eye, I have to do to the other. Why? Because it's going to look uneven. Look at that. I want to add a bit of color to her. Mommy, I want to add a bit of color to her eyes, so I'm going with the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to go in with Red Ochre. Then I'm going to clean off on my hand and then blend out. Now, I would love to add lashes, but my mom doesn't do well with lashes at all. So I'm going to add some mascara straight in front of you. Look straight in front of you. Mommy, open your eyes. Yes. Stop. You're pushing back your head. Mommy, you can't squint your eyes, you know. Alright, so in the same motive stack, I'm going to take this color right here, this bronzy color. I'm going to use it as her blush. So I'm going to pat on. See, it's warming up that side of her face. Then I'm going to take this color here and use it as her glow. Turning it that way. But not a lot, just a little bit. Cleaning off. Then I'm going to be taking this Motives lip brush, and I'm going to be taking this lip stack, taking this color here and apply first. Ooh, this color here. Then I'm going in with this darker color here. Flip the brush around, this darker color. I like to do this step just to clean up on the outer perimeter of the lips. Alright. Then I'm going to be going in with her mineralized skin finish. It's completely brand new, guys. Brand new, and I gave this to her years ago. And I'm going to use the the darker part just to add a tips more glow right here. Not turn that way. Not a lot though. Alright guys, I'm going to clean up using LA Girl's Chestnut. Alright guys, so this is the finished look on my mommy. She does not like a lot of makeup. Her phone is ringing. She doesn't like a lot of makeup, and thanks for watching, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.